Hi, everyone. Thanks for listening to the Cold Sound Theater podcast. We enjoy making internationally renowned sketch comedy for you. Please show us some love by following us on our social media, Twitter at Cold Sound Pod, Instagram at Cold Sound Podcast. We'll be your best friend.
Hello, and thank you for listening. It has come to our attention that many of you may be listening to Cold Sound Theater podcasts on substandard audio equipment, or may simply have less than optimal audio settings, which may detract from your comedy experience. Therefore, Cold Sound Theater is pleased to offer this audio calibration suite at no cost, intended to correct these conditions. We will begin by testing your audio system's discrete channel separation. This will help determine if both your left and right speakers are working correctly, or for those of you listening on headphones, earbuds, AirPods, or any piece of shit with the Beats logo that you paid way too much for, to make sure you're wearing them correctly. First, the left channel.
Plump banana. Plump banana.
Now, the right channel.
Moist kumquats. Moist kumquats.
Next, we will test your system's ability to accurately pan sounds from the left channel to the right channel, beginning now. I am talking to you in your left ear. You should only hear me in the left channel, left speaker, left earbud, whatever. Alright, I'm going to be walking from left to right, so you should be able to hear me move from left to right. I'm moving left to right. Oh God, I really bruised my dick there. Really bruised it. Oh, fuck me. Okay, I'm walking, I'm still going. Left to right. God damn it, ass. All right, I should be at the right. You should be hearing me in the right side. God damn. This next battery of tests will allow you to understand the full spectrum of audio that your system is capable of reproducing by playing a series of typical comedic tropes. Bear in mind that listeners who spent their 20s going to music festivals may now be incapable of hearing jack shit and may therefore not be able to take advantage of this test. Additionally, we would normally suggest running these tests through each speaker independently, but since we're not made of time, we suggest that anyone who does have free hours of the day to run such thorough tests consider getting a fucking life and stop being such a burden on society. Test 1. Lower frequencies between approximately 20 Hz and 200 Hz. Test 2. Mid-range frequencies between approximately 500 Hz and 2000 Hz. Comedy lines. Things that are things that'll make you laugh. We're right saying here. Comedy. They go lines. Right here. Penis. Test 3. Higher frequencies, 5000 Hz and above. This concludes our free audio calibration suite. For those of you who would like to explore further diagnostics, Cold Sound Theater has created a premium content page, which features both full sine and perceptual sine sweeps between 20 Hz and 20,000 Hz, as well as a recording I made of my roommate raw dogging his coked up girlfriend. It's filthy. Product information and pricing is now available at onlyfans.com/Cold Sound Theater. We now return you to the regular crap we pump out.